How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day as always. It's that time, mail time. Didn't know I was getting it, didn't say he was sending it, but yep, mail time. So let's get to it. I got my magic letter opener. You know, it's always great whenever somebody takes the time to send you something. And it's just, you know, it means a lot because they pay attention to what you say in your videos. They listen to your thoughts and everything. And everybody that has sent me something has done just that. Now this is Victor Sane from Saneauto. I have no idea what it is, but here it's got some rattle to it, so I can assume what it is because he knows what I collect. But let's find out and see if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Got the magic ladder open, so let's get to it. Try to do this where I don't mess anything up. Cut right up across the top. As you can see, this is unopened. Bottom, top. Something in there, so I'm glad I did not cut across it. Close that for my safety. My safety. So I don't cut myself. Yeah, it's a bag is what was in it. A bag in a bag. How about that? That's what you call protection. All you boys and girls out there, learn that word if you're under the age of 25, and it will serve you well. Let's see what we got here. Good Lord. Bag stronger than I am. But it is not stronger than Mr. Gerber. No, it is not. Let's see what we got here. Yep, it is exactly what I thought it was. Well, not exactly what I thought it was, but it was what I thought it was. Let me put my old man specs on. Don't get scared now. Don't get scared. I poked my eye out, didn't I? Now in my videos, wow, this is cool. Many have seen that I have a small Hot Wheel collection. I used to have a large one. One time I had about 5,000 Hot Wheels, but I've gotten rid of most of them except for, of course, Camaros. Now I do branch off and get other things, you know, specialty cars like I have the Back to the Future car. I want the Starsky and Hutch car, but I can never find it at a reasonable price. And, you know, stuff like that. But Victor paid really good attention and has sent me stuff before. And look at this bad boy. Now that's a Camaro right there. Wow. Look at that bad boy. Very sharp. Camo. And it says it's a 2018 Camaro SS. And there's a couple more cars in this collection. Looks like a Skyline, a Ford, El Camino, and something else. Let's see what else we got in here, because there's multiple items in here. Uh-oh! Yes, sir, I liked it. Hey, Coop, you looking too? Coop's right there. He's running the camera. Yep, see him? You don't like that angle? You're trying to adjust it for me? Transformers, the one that started the craze for the Camaro, especially the yellow ones. Transformers, micro machines, yes, minis. That is really cool. That'll go up on my stand as well. It has the truck, which is Optimus Prime, and both Bumblebees. Look at that. That is cool. That is super cool. Set that there. And there's a couple other things in here. And he has sent these to me before, but I appreciate them. There's a note on one of them. But he had these made for car shows. And since we're not having car shows right now, right? Drool don't touch. Keep your hands off my ride. You know, when you go to a car show, take this, put it up there so people know to look, but don't touch your car. Now let me read this, see if I can read it on the air. Victor, I don't know if you meant for me to read this on here or not, but there's nothing really personal, so I'm going to go ahead. I hope you don't mind. But it says, "Hello, Pete. Thank you for putting all the great DaVinci tutorials on Camaro Time." You know, if you don't know, I use DaVinci Resolve, so I try to, whenever I learn something, I try to share with other people or like-minded people who are into editing, so that they too can make their videos the best they can be, you know, because I know I don't want to watch my crappy videos, so I try to make them as good as I can for you. So, let's see. I hope to start including some visual effects in the Saneauto video soon. I've noticed you putting a few things here and there. Don't think they've gotten by me. I've noticed. I saw this Camaro, aka Georgified Camaro, right? Driving around Dalton. When I found the Hot Wheels version of it, I just couldn't wait to share it with you, so you could add it to your collection. Don't stay up too late editing. He knows exactly what I'm gonna do. I got this. I open it tonight. It's gonna be going on YouTube, right? Can't resist. That's the fun of it. You take the time to purchase the item, to think about me to purchase the item, and I'm gonna think enough about you to put a big thank you, a big heartfelt thank you, in, you know, on YouTube, saying such, because I really do appreciate that. I have not seen this car around my area, and I look every time I go anywhere that sells Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Maisto, whatever. I'm always looking for different Camaros. So with that said, if you see any Camaros out there, everybody, I'm your man. But with that said, get out there and enjoy your car, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you all so very much for watching. Thank you, Victor and Carol. Thank you. Let me get some light on this situation so you can see what's going on. My regular lights just are not bright enough in here. This will probably be overpowering, but it'll be alright. But here you go. You can see I have a small Hot Wheel collection started. I have this display from where my wife used to work at Hallmark. I was one of the lucky ones. She was the manager there, so whenever they had a display, she would have, of course, ask the girls there first if they wanted it. And if not, guess who always got the displays? I have some really cool displays too. I need to dust them, as you can see. I didn't think they were that dusty, but oh well. I'll get to it tonight after I do the editing. Sorry, Victor, gotta stay up late. But as you see, I got some of the Fast and Furious cars. You gotta have, any self-respecting car guy has to have the Charger from Fast and Furious. And then you also have to have Dom's Chevelle. And like I said, I'm not going to show you each and every one on here. Here's some empty spots. Yes, look at that. Perfect. But there's the Georgified Camaro from Victor. That will go right there. And then there's the Transformers Hollywood Rides. That is so cool. I really appreciate that. Look at that. Wow. Got both versions. The old version that started the movie, that changed into the 5th gen, and then the newer version from the last ones. That is so cool. And they're die-cast too. They're not plastic. From Jada. That will go right there. But as you can see, I have a small collection. Nothing major. Just whenever I see one, I get it. I never did finish that series. I got to finish that one. And like I said, Maisto. I get Maisto, no problem. I don't care what it is, as long as it's a Camaro. And then I have two special ones over here that I really like. Any of you that have ever done anything with drag racing know the Snake Dom Prudhomme. And right, that's pretty cool, ain't it? The whole Tom McEwen versus the Snake. That's pretty cool. I found those at Walmart one day, and they were a little pricey, but I went ahead and got them because I'm into drag racing, I'm into cars, and these are from my childhood. I remember these guys when I was growing up. But the whole purpose of me showing you this, several of these was sent by cool channel supporters, right? Got the Moon Eyes 15 in black, and you have it in silver, and you have the 2018 Copo Camaro. I'd love to own one of those bad boys. But anyhow, you know, the whole point that I'm trying to make right now is that, you know, people see and hear what you say in your videos, and the ones that care will take the time to do something like such. Now I have to start repaying everybody by figuring out what everybody else is into. You know, I've gotten shirts, I've gotten stickers, I've gotten Hot Wheels, you know, I've gotten various things. So I've got to figure out what I want to start sending out to everybody. So stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.